ดีค่ะ Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kate What If. So the content will be about whatever I want to talk about or whatever you want to know. Maybe Thai and English learning, maybe Thai interesting culture, food, travel, etc. We'll see. But spoiler alert, this is my first video and first time editing the video. So if this sucks, please hang in there and bear with me. So today I was on Facebook and I saw this word tip, and you know what? It becomes more and more popular, and it would be really nice if you know how to use it and join this new trend with us. But before you do so, let me tell you what it means and how to use it. Alright? Okay, so let's start with the actual meaning of the word tip. So tip itself means things or special ability that belongs to an angel in the heaven, and of course a regular human being like us cannot do or have. For example, ตาทิพย์ ตาทิพย์ ตา itself means eyes, right? And then ตาทิพย์ together means ability to see everything that a human being cannot see. Only angels can do. So that's the actual or original meaning for the word tip. So now let's learn about the slang version. So tip as a slang, it means the imagination of thing that doesn't even exist or real, but you make up a story to make it look real, usually used in a funny or in a joking context. How to use it? Very simple. So just add tip after the word that you want to stress. That's all. Easy peasy, right? Let's start with the first example. เที่ยวทิพย์ เที่ยวทิพย์ So เที่ยว means to travel, right? And then เที่ยวทิพย์ together means when you imagine that you were somewhere on a trip, but in reality, you were just stuck at home because of COVID. You cannot go anywhere. So you will see a lot of Thai people use the word เที่ยวทิพย์on social media everywhere actually, and then probably post the picture of their previous trip back before COVID time, or some picture that they find on the internet, and they want to go there but they can't go. It's like their mind is already there but the body is slightly stuck at home, just like me. Very sad. But for example, I just saw on the news that some country like maybe Egypt, they actually offer us the virtual tour, so you can see what's inside the pyramid and you can see it from home. Who knows that your tip can be so convenient these days, right? Or another example, ผัวทิพย์ ผัวทิพย์ ผัว itself means it's actually a harsh word for husband, right? And then ผัวทิพย์ together means a guy or many guys that you imagine he is your husband, but in reality, you guys don't even know each other. For example, if there's any famous Korean series or Thai soapy and then the actor is super hot, then you will see millions of Thai girls posting on Facebook or anywhere to declare the love that he is my ผัวทิพย์ and to show everyone that he is mine, something like that. That's interesting, right? Actually, there's many other funny and joking way to use the word tip. For example, นอนทิพย์ or อิ่มทิพย์ or ผมทิพย์ easy peasy, right? To all my beloved students that I forced you to watch this video, or anyone that I tricked or you accidentally watched this video yourself, I hope you know and will use this word tip in your daily life so you can be one step closer to talk like a Thai. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching till the end. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe somewhere down below so you can see what my next random topic is. Alright, thank you for watching. See you again next video. Bye bye!